Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Wednesday, October 15, 2008. Turmoil in financial markets could halve the number of hedge funds by the next year, and the survivors will likely charge less for their service. According to Reuters, ultra-wealthy investors who fueled a doubling in hedge fund industry assets to about $1.9 trillion in the last 3 years are now increasingly fearful about hedge fund failures and pulling their money out fast. Staying with hedge fund news, according to Total Alternatives, private equity firm Bowmark Capital has hired 2 new senior staffers for its investment team, with Julian Masters joining as a partner and Tom Shelford joining as an investment director. Masters was a founder member and a director of the UK buyout team at European Capital. He has also worked at PricewaterhouseCoopers and Credit Suisse Private Equity. Shelford was an associate at Nomura Private Equity. And in more hedge fund news, PMA Harvester Fund, run by a unit of Asia's largest publicly quoted hedge fund manager, has attracted net inflows each month this year, even as the hedge fund industry posted its worst losses in almost 2 decades. Reuters reports that the $239 million fund, which trades options, forwards, futures on Asian currencies, and interest rates, returned about 16% in the first 9 months. And in other hedge fund news, Merrill Lynch raised $2.65 billion for its fund dedicated to Asian real estate investments. Merrill Lynch Asian Real Estate Opportunity Fund aims to invest in real estate assets or property companions in the regions, with a focus on Japan, China, South Korea, and India. It will also invest in Australia and Southeast Asia. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.